shop owner managed the shop herself with two helpers. When they managed to get in the shop, Sujata looked around. On the top left shelf, there were different brands of detergent cakes. Another shelf had toothpastes, talcum powder, shampoo, hair oil. The different brands and different colors looked so attractive. On the floor lay a few snacks. It almost took 20 minutes to weigh and pack all the groceries. Then Sujata showed her notebook. The woman noted the amount of rupees 1550 in the notebook and gave it back. She also noted the amount in her big register. Then Sujata took the heavy bags out of the shop. Her family will pay for the purchases in the first week of the next month.
This is for the neighborhood market. Because they know you very well, that's why they can pay you on credit, and after the month, you can pay them the money whenever you have the money. So every month he can give you the goods because he knows you very well. He is living there for so many years. You are also living there, so he knows you very well. So anytime when you don't have the money, he will give you the goods and write in the notebook. And after the month, he will give you the amount, and you will pay him the amount in a month, every month. So it will be easy for him also, for you also. Because when you don't have the money, you cannot feel dejected. You cannot buy the good you need. He will give you, or he or she will give you. Now there is another story regarding the
Sir, can I
shopping
read that one?
complexes or malls.
Sir, can I read that?
Yeah, read now.
Anzil Mall is a 5-floor shopping complex. Kavita and Sujata were enjoying going up and down in the lift. It seemed as it seemed as if it was made of glass and they were able to see outside as they went up. It was fascinating to see so many different kinds of shops, such as the ice cream, burger, pizza, and other food shops. Shops full of home appliances, footwear, and leather items, as well as bookshops. While wandering about on the third floor, they entered a shop that was selling branded ready-made clothes. The security guard looked at them as if he wanted to stop them, but he did not say anything. They looked at some dresses and then looked at a price tag. None of them was less than 2000 rupees, almost 5 times the weekly market price. Sujata whispered to Kavita, I'll take you to another shop which has good quality ready-made clothes at more reasonable price.
So this was about the shopping complexes and malls. The two kinds of market we have read about: market or weekly markets and the neighborhood markets. Now we'll talk about the malls or complexes. Mostly you find these complexes or malls in an urban city or a big city or in a city, not in the villages. Particularly the shopping complexes. What is the difference between malls and shopping complexes? Because in these days you will see multi-story, air-conditioned buildings with shops on different floors, and so nowadays theaters are also there, and hotels and other items are also available there. The shops on different level of the building is known as mall. In this you will find both branded as well as non-branded goods sold. As you have said in advertising, that branded good is often expensive because they are paying the money for advertising, plus good showrooms, air conditioned showroom, labor, other things are there. And they claim that they are the better quality, that's why the branded goods are costlier in comparison to the non-branded goods. The companies producing this product generally have their own showrooms with the name of the Adidas. Adidas has its own showroom with the name of Adidas only. Pantaloon has their own showroom. Other brands have their own showroom and they are selling the goods through their own showrooms in the malls or complexes. But sometimes they give the goods to other shops also. So branded goods become costly, but because of the good quality, people are, and branded goods are considered to be the good goods or durable goods. The people are going towards it, buying there in the malls and shopping complexes. in comparison non-branded goods which are considered to be poor quality or not very good quality. But still, the people who are not able to buy the branded goods are buying the non-branded goods because they cannot afford the money for the branded goods. So that's why you find many goods are available in the name of the branded goods only, although they are fake. But they put the name there so that people can buy. Those who cannot afford the branded good, they can buy this cheap good with the fake name of branded. Yeah, Ramesh, you don't worry. I know you were not there. He was Abdullah. So you don't worry, Ansari. Nothing is there. He was Abdullah, not you. I know you cannot do this type of idiotic things. Only those Arab students can do.
Sir, he was a Daku.
Only the Arab student
Sir,
can do.
even if it was Ramas, we could have seen him talking, sir.
Yeah. It is the Arabic student what do this nonsense things. Indian or Pakistani will never do. Even Hussein is a mischievous boy, but he never does this thing.
Sir, no need to upload this.
Sir, cut parts.
He didn't record the starting.
So
You can
forget
cut
it.
the-
I will talk to the principal, or I will change the ID from to next class.
What if Saudi people saw your video thing?
Chain of markets.
Sir did not record the first.
Now, first of all, Burade, are you there? Arjun? Arjun Burade, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sorry, my mic was disconnected.
Yeah, you are there. Then you can now show your head if you want to show.
Okay, sir.
I'm making you the host. So you start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Because for last so many days you are trying to do what you are not able to do. So today you do for 5 minutes.
And
Yeah, I wanted to show last yesterday also, but you were not able to show. That day also you wanted to show, but where is Borade? Arjun Borade. More. So now Arjun Borade, go ahead. Although your ad are already there on YouTube, but still so.
But I saw it from there only.
Yes,
So
sure.
when I saw his ad, totally copied.
Sure.
Sir, you put a video on your channel that was already a YouTube channel.
Which video?
A funny video and information one.
Which?
I know that USA minus
that one,
9
like
and that.
countries one. That countries one, right?
Yes.
Sir, but that
That
lady has
wasn't
a
that
channel.
funny.
But that lady has a channel. Maybe she will copyright you if she sees that.
Yes, sir.
No channel is on
Sir.
Instagram.
So,
not on YouTube.
so I have the video open in photos, but I don't see the option for screen share.
It is on Instagram, not on YouTube.
Sir,
Oh.
there is
Just select the option for screen. It will come.
sir, it's
Yeah,
not
there
with
is
as well.
screen. Yeah.
Can you see it? Not the
Yeah,
potato.
no, no,
Oh,
no.
wait.
No.
Now we
Yeah,
can.
now
see.
now we can see.
Where is the voice?
You did not press optimize. Right.
He used my same template. I used the same template.
That ad was very nice.
Choose. I
Before one was better.
You should have clicked optimize for screen share.
Papa, Arjun, literally, are you serious?
What happened?
Setting.
What?
Kapachuka.
Oh, Kapachuka is there.
Oh my Kapachuka.
Billions of ads or what?
Yes.
Oh, this is the small one.
Mynet dot.
Okay, let me check because my internet is not good.
Actually, fake
Internet
website.
is my internet is fine.
My Kapuchuka.
Forbidden. You don't have permission to access this resource.
There is really something called mynet.in.
Let me see.
Forbidden. Wow. This is
Yeah, but
forbidden.
it's forbidden for us.
This is forbidden. You do not have permission to access this resource for including. Did you make this and just delete it?
What?
Yeah, there is a thing called
It's not secure
mynet.in.
website.
Well, I
Not
didn't
secure.
make it.
Yeah, it's forbidden. You don't have permission to access
Fine.
this
So
resource.
Shafiq finally came to
Additionally, 403
Haji sir's meeting.
Shafiq,
Yes, sir. I joined Tanvir Haji sir's meeting instead of this.
Oh, ha, 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 very funny.
I thought your clock was not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, this time.
now
No,
chain
I
of market.
didn't have an excuse last time.
Now chain of market you have read in about different types of market from where we buy goods. Now the question is from where these shopkeepers get the goods or procure their goods. So you know, because goods are produced in factories or in farms or in homes. So we do not buy goods directly from them, from their factory or from the farm or from anywhere else. Nor the producer will be interested in selling you the goods because you will go there, you will ask for 1 kilo or 2 kilo or 3 kg. So they will never be interested in giving you those goods because first of all, they don't have the plastic bags. Secondly, they will not, because they are selling in large quantity, 100 kilo, 200 kilo, 300 kilos, they will not give you those 1 kg or 2 kg. So you cannot buy that from the factory. You have to go to the shop to buy those goods. So the people between the producer and the final consumer are the traders. The traders are the one who is between you and the shopkeeper. The wholesale trader first buys the goods in large quantities from these factories or farms directly. They buy 100 kg or 1 ton or 1 kg or 25 kilos or 100 kilos. Because he did not buy a few kilos, he buys 20, 100, 200 kilos. Then he sold that to the traders in whatever they need, 10 kilo, 5 kilo, 6 kilo, whatever the traders need, they sell to them. And the trader sells to you whatever you need, half kg, 1 kg, or 250 gram or 200 gram, whatever is there. So these markets where the buying and selling takes place between traders is known as wholesale market, wholesale traders. And it is through these links of traders that the goods are reached to far off places. The factory is 100 kilometers away, but you get the goods here. How? Because these traders are there. They purchase the goods from those traders and sends it to your city to be sold by the shopkeepers, whether neighborhood shopkeepers or malls or weekly market or whatever it is there. So traders finally who sell the consumers are known as retailers. The question comes, who are the retailers? The retailers are those people who are or traders who are finally sell their goods to the consumer. The shopkeeper is that retailer. And those who are selling the goods to the retailers are known as wholesalers. So wholesalers are buying the goods from the factories and farms directly and selling it to the traders, and these retailers sell the goods to us. So that's why it is known as the chain of market, from one to another, from farm to the wholesaler, from wholesaler to the traders, and traders to shopkeepers, and shopkeepers give to us. So this is the chain. Whether it is weekly market, hawker, neighborhood market, malls, complexes, any market, they all buy from the traders, from this wholesale market. Now we can understand this with the help of the example given down. Now Uzair, read this. Page number 99, last paragraph.
Sir, from every city,
Yeah,
every city has areas for wholesale markets. This is where goods first reach and are then supplied to other traders. The roadside hawker whom you read other traders. The roadside hawker whom you read about earlier would have purchased a large quantity. The roadside hawker whom you read about earlier would have purchased a large quantity of plastic items from a wholesale trader in the town. He in turn might have bought these from another even bigger wholesale trader in the city. The city wholesale trader would have bought a large quantity of plastic items from the factory and stored them in a godown. In this way, a chain of markets is set up. When we purchase, we may not be aware of the chain of markets through which these goods travel before they reach us.
very good. Aftab, the wholesale trader. Uzair, continue. Aftab, the wholesale trader.
Yes, sir. Aftab, the wholesaler in the city. Aftab is one of the wholesale traders who purchases in bulk. His business starts around 2 o'clock in the morning when vegetables reach the market. This is the time when the vegetable market or mandi starts buzzing with activity. The vegetables come in trucks, matadors, tractor trolleys from farms both near and far. Soon the process of auctions begins. Aftab participates in this auction and decides what he will buy. Today, for example, he bought 5 quintals of cauliflower, 10 quintals of onions. He has a shop in the market where he stores the vegetables that he has bought. From here, he sells to hawkers and shopkeepers who start coming to the market around 6 in the morning. They have to organize their purchases so that they can start their shop from the day around 10 in the morning. Sir, done.
Now, page number 100, Mr. Ramesh. Now, another market everywhere. Can you tell me what is this market everywhere?
Sir, can I read?
Yeah. Now, tell me what it is in short. Markets everywhere. Now it is very popular.
Sir, market
During the lockdown, it was very
means
popular.
that. Hello, sir.
Now, till now, we have read about different markets, neighborhood market, this market, weekly market, malls, complexes. All these markets are either in a specific locality and works in a particular manner and time. But it is always not necessary that you can go to the market every time. Whenever you need the good, it doesn't mean that you will go anytime to the market, always to purchase goods. So what we do, we place order for a variety of things through internet or through phone, and these days through internet, and the goods are delivered at your doorstep. So this online market, known as a market everywhere. Because whenever you need anything, you're sitting at your home, you can place the order and the goods will reach you. And nowadays there are shops which are selling the vegetables and other goods, also daily items. So you call them, they will deliver this at your home after a few hours. And then there are international market also. If you want to buy something from international market, you can place order to internet and the goods will reach you at your doorstep in a day or two. And you have seen in the clinics also the people are sitting with their bags. They are the representatives. They are talking to the doctor and telling them about the medicines of their company to them so that they can write for them those medicines. So the representatives are also used to sell their goods. So such persons are engaged in selling goods. Thus buying and selling takes place different ways, not necessarily through shops in the market. It is not that buying and selling takes place through a shop in the market. It can be anywhere, sitting at your home, through representatives, through internet, through phone, anything. So these markets which we have read, we can recognize that very easily. However, there are markets that may not be aware of. This is because larger number of goods are brought and sold that we don't use directly. So there are some other shops which we don't know about, whether goods are sold directly, bought and sold, which we don't use directly. Like farmer uses fertilizers to grow crops that he purchases from a special shop in the city, and they in turn get them from factories. So these are the things which we don't know. We don't use directly, but the fertilizers are used to produce goods for us. We are using those goods which are produced by the farmers with the help of fertilizers. But we are not directly involved with the fertilizer. So the farmer is buying the fertilizer from a special shop, and in turn that special shop is buying those fertilizers from the industries. A car factory purchases engine, gears, petrol tanks, axles, wheels, etc. from various other factories. What we get only the car. But the parts used in those factories are bought by the car manufacturer from different companies, different factories, and then they assemble it to make their own car. So we don't go by that from where he buy the axle, where he buy the handle, where he from which company buy the brake. We are not concerned about that. We are only concerned about the model of the car. This is Mercedes only. We are bothered about Mercedes. We don't bother company has brought the parts of the Mercedes from which company. We only need Mercedes. We don't go into that from where he bought the car engine, from where he bought the axle, from where he bought the brake. We don't ask him. We say we want Mercedes. Say this is the Mercedes. Okay, very much. Thank you very much. Take the money and take the car. We are not bothered about it. But those are also market with selling those products to the car manufacturer. So we are not directly using it, but indirectly we are involved with those companies also. Because we are only bothered about the final car. We don't bother about from where he bought the material. But the car manufacturer has to bother